Hello everyone, all are welcome to a beautiful afternoon, and I am welcoming you for my beautiful garden. I am now at this moment at my garden. Today I am going to talk about everyone's life. In one life, life is short, but we have many things to do. In spite of doing lot of activities, lot of duties, performing for our family also, if anytime we cannot take care of one thing or one duty, then everyone goes against us. I think that family life, everything is a very much selfish place, but we have nothing to do because family means you have to entangle in the very net. Okay, see you another time.